Imagine reaching hundreds of potential customers on WhatsApp. No typing, no copy paste, no burnout. That's exactly what WASender does. And in this video, I'm going to show you the entire thing step by step. Welcome. WASender is an all-in-one WhatsApp bulk marketing software built for business owners, digital marketers, agencies, and freelancers who want to run powerful outreach campaigns without expensive monthly subscriptions or complicated setups. It runs on Windows, it's a one-time purchase with lifetime validity, it requires zero coding, and it starts at just $7. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to install it, build a contact list, send a campaign with attachments, set up an auto reply bot, and download your report. Let's get into it. Head over to wasender.cc and click on pricing. There are 3 plans to choose from, and I'll break them down quickly so you pick the right one. The single PC plan at $7 is for individuals who only need WASender on one computer. It's the best entry point if you're just starting out. The multiple PCs plan at $19 supports up to 10 machines. Ideal if you have a small team or want to run it on your office and home computer. The reseller plan at $25 unlocks unlimited PC licenses and lets you sell WASender licenses to your own clients. If you're a digital marketing freelancer, this one pays for itself very quickly. Every single plan includes lifetime validity, no messaging limits, and all features we are about to cover. Pick your plan, complete checkout, payments are accepted via UPI, card, PayPal, or crypto, and you'll get your license key right away. Once purchased, download the installer from wasender.cc, run the setup file. It's a standard Windows installation and takes less than a minute. Mac users, don't worry, download a free app called UTM. Use it to install Windows on your Mac and run WASender inside that. The WASender FAQ page has a direct link to UTM. After installation, open WASender. You land on the license activation screen first. Paste your license key and hit activate. Now you need to connect your WhatsApp account. The software will display a QR code on screen. Grab your phone, open WhatsApp, tap the 3 dots in the top right, go to link devices, tap link a device, and point your camera at the QR code. That's it. Your WhatsApp is now connected to WASender and you're ready to start marketing. A campaign is only as good as its contact list. WASender gives you 3 powerful ways to build one. Method 1, manual entry. Simply type or paste phone numbers into the input field. Always use the international format. Country code first, then the number. For India, that's 91 followed by the 10-digit mobile number. This is best for small curated lists. Method 2, Excel upload. This is the most popular method. Create a simple spreadsheet with phone numbers in one column and names in another. No special formatting needed. Click Upload Excel, select your file, and your entire list is imported instantly. WASender reads it as is, saving you time. Now let's build and send your first campaign. Step 1. Load your contacts. Import your filtered list or paste numbers directly. You'll see them all load into the contacts panel on the left. Step 2. Write your message. In the message box, type your campaign text. Keep it conversational. WhatsApp is a personal platform and formal or spammy sounding messages get ignored or reported. You can also apply WhatsApp text formatting, wrap words in asterisks for bold, use underscores for italic and tildes for strike through. The same formatting shortcuts you'd use in regular WhatsApp. Step 3. Add an attachment. Click the attachment icon and upload an image, PDF, video or document from your computer. Whether it's a product catalog, a promotional graphic, a menu, or a digital brochure, attachments increase engagement and make your messages stand out in a crowded inbox. This is highly recommended for any marketing blast. Step 4. Set your batching and time gap. This is the most critical step for account safety. Never send hundreds of messages in one continuous burst. WhatsApp can flag that behavior and restrict your number. Instead, use the batching setting to group your sends, for example, 25 messages at a time, and set a time gap of 30 to 60 seconds between each batch. This simulates natural human usage patterns. WASender's built-in ban reduction system works alongside these settings to keep your account protected automatically. Step 5. Send. Hit the send button. A live progress tracker will show you each message being delivered in real time. You can minimize the window and let it run in the background. Once the campaign finishes, or even if it gets interrupted midway, head to the Reports tab. Here you'll find a complete log, messages successfully sent, messages that failed, and the specific numbers that had issues. You can download this as a file for your records or to share with a client. The best part, if your send was interrupted, your internet dropped, the software closed, anything, you don't have to start over. The report shows you exactly where the campaign stopped. Just pick up from that point and WASender continues from where it left off. No duplicates, no wasted messages. Now let's set up the autoresponder bot so your business keeps responding even when you're asleep. Go to the autoresponder section, set a trigger keyword and a reply message. For example, if someone replies to your campaign with the word price, the bot instantly replies with your pricing details. If they say hello or hi, it sends a welcome message with your contact info and a call to action. When your bulk campaign goes out and dozens of people reply at the same time, the bot handles every single one automatically, instantly, professionally, 24 hours a day. This is what separates businesses that generate leads from ones that actually convert them. 3 quick pro tips before you go. Tip 1. Warm up new numbers. If you're using a brand new WhatsApp number, don't send 300 messages on day 1. Start with 30 a day, then 60, then 100. Build up over a week. This establishes your number as a normal user account. Tip 2. Lead with value, not a sales pitch. Your opening message should offer something: a discount, useful info, a free resource. Save the hard sell for the follow up. Tip 3. Combine Gmaps extractor with the filter tool. Extract hyperlocal leads from your exact niche and city, then filter them for active WhatsApp users before sending. You'll end up with a small high quality list that converts far better than a massive unfiltered one. And that's the complete WASender tutorial: installation, contact building, personalized campaigns, auto replies and reports all covered. Plans start at just $7 with lifetime validity and no messaging limits. Head to wasender.cc, link is in the description below. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more marketing tool tutorials, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.